going? I'm Cupcake from Adams, Texas Harley Davidson. And on this episode of Cupcake's Big Adventure, I'll be going over with you some of the cool, exciting new features of Project Rushmore. One of the first and most obvious things is the redesigned fairing with this wind buffeter here. It's got a button here to open and close the flaps for all that highway travel, high winds, passing a truck, you name it, man. It's going to take care of you. Another cool thing up here on the front end is the bigger forks. They have upgraded the diameter of the forks to absorb more of the road and give you overall better handling and stability while you're riding. Bigger brakes, better stopping power. That being said, there's also a linked braking system. One of the worst things you can do while you're riding is grab a handful of this front brake. Well, now if you do that, it's going to apply some of the rear brake. If you smash on this rear brake, it's going to apply some of that front brake. It's really cool. You can see also here while we're talking, there's this honeycomb mesh here. That is actually a radiator. This particular model on the Project Rushmore line has liquid-cooled heads. We'll get into that later in some of my other videos. Now you also see here the Daymaker headlights. They will literally turn night into day. Very cool. Come around here, check it out. You still have your classic Harley styling with the 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, but now there's a high output cam in here to give it about 3% more horsepower and torque. You can see here, this is the reservoir for your liquid-cooled heads. Really cool. Going up here, this is a 6.5 inch touchscreen with navigation, Bluetooth, and tons of other media capabilities. Hook your phone up. We'll also get into that in some of my other videos. Now the big thing for Project Rushmore was one touch. One touch trip meter here on top of the switch housing. One touch, everything can be done with one touch. One touch push button gas cap. The biggest and coolest thing, one touch opening the saddlebags. Real easy. Real easy. No more fumbling with the switch and the latch and rocking it in the little holes. No more of that. Also, check this out. Redesigned shotgun area, or the passenger area, the sofa, whatever you want to call it. This pad has been reshaped to be more ergonomic, so your passenger has a more relaxed, natural fit. 2 inches wider diameter and an inch further back to give it more room. One touch latch, retractable cable on the tour pack, and the best part about all the new bikes, LEDs. LED light bar across the tour pack, and of course Harley has, you can upgrade all the lights to LED and add tons of light to this thing to be more visible at night. Well, that's all for this episode of Cupcake's Big Adventure. Join us next time, America.